What is up, reelers? Welcome to On The Real Fishing. Today we're out in the creek again because it's that time of year. I'm going to be starting off with some little creek life lures here, throwing around here in the creek that I used to catch a lot of spotted bass in. But we're just going to try to catch some numbers today. Not really worried about what we're going to catch, just want to catch a couple fish. So we're going to go out here, use some creek life lures, try to catch some fish. So hold on tight, let's go see what we can get. Alrighty. Right here at the tip top of the first little section where it gets deeper. So my first cast here to the left. Well, never mind. Oh, had some bites already though. Now let's try to throw where we want to throw. There we go. Maybe they are more to the right than they are to the left. That's where the current is, but something picked it up and started running off with it. That's the benefit of having the chartreuse jig head. Ooh. And swiped at it as soon as it hit the water over there. There we go, first fish. What do we get? First fish, first fish. All right, first fish is a nice little bitty long ear. It's be good bass food size, but didn't bring my bucket down. All right, first fish out of the way. Was not a shiner like I thought it was going to be. Ended up being a long ear. I got booped a couple times, but nothing big enough, I guess, to suck it in yet. I made the line go straight. There we go. We got our first shiner, I think. Let's see if we can get him in here. Oh yeah, not shiner. Yes, creek shiner. Good old creek shiner over there. It's squishy. Squishy and slimy. Another good little bass bait. All right. Second fish down. There we go. Oh, lost him. Lost him. Decent. There we go. Fish number 3. What did we get over there? What did we get over there? All right, species number 3. Little bluegill there. All right. Show him off of there. Nice little bluegill. Number 3. There we go, we got something from out underneath that log. It's like another little bitty long ear here. Awesome. Alright, so we got 4 off of this little guy. I think I'm going to switch up styles, maybe even colors, but this little guy's getting back out. Thank you, sir. Thank you for biting. Switch it up and see what happens. Alright, just over some of these little black and green little beaver tail looking things. Might give me a little bit better of a hookup too, because it's a little bit, it's actually the same, about the same size profile, but we'll see what happens. But it's got green on one side, black on the other. We'll see what happens. We're keeping the chartreuse jig head for now. It's doing good for us. We'll probably won't change it unless we lose the jig head. So, all right. Different looking bug. There we go. Something was running off with it. What we got here? Oh, there we go. Green sunfish. Our fourth species. Nice little green sunfish there running off with it. These guys are probably usually easy to catch because their mouths are so much bigger than bluegills and stuff, especially even they're tiny. See you, buddy. So, there we go. Another little bitty fish. What we got here? Oh yeah, another little green sunfish. Looks like smaller than the last one, but still, it's a fish. Little bitty guy there. All right, still on 4 species though. All right, trying to wait till they pick it up and run with it before I set the hook. Most of these guys have been pretty small. Oh, what was that? That was a bass, actually. No way. No way I can catch this guy right here. No. My smoke cloud's getting to him. But yeah, dude almost came up and picked it up right as I was standing there. He's hungry. He's right there. All right, I'm gonna get him. Oh, there we go. Something was in this little cloud I made. Looks like it's a little long ear. There we go. Another fish. Still not another species yet though. That's the littlest guy thing so far. Nice. Teeny tiny fishes. Teeny tiny fishes. Well, I was trying to be slow and calm about that, but it didn't work out. There we go. Ooh, pretty long ear. Nice. A nice bright one this time. Look at this guy. Very pretty. The brightest one of the long ears today. Awesome. So what's this guy looking like? He might be too beat up. Yeah, I need to put another one of him on there. He's missing all his doodads. All right, let's get another one back on here. Maybe switch up to my color. See if that'll work with this cloudy day. We've got the same profile, but we got them in the on the real colors. The green with the blue top. I won't change a bunch, but at least it's got all its appendages back, so we'll see. First cast with that color. There we go. We got our first one on this finally. Had to come a good ways, but a nice deep colored long ear. All right. Ooh, it's a chubby one. It's either been eating good or it's got eggs ready to go. Awesome. Thank you for biting. All right, we got one on this thing down finally. I have to get with Creek Life Lures and maybe make my color a little different. Make it a little more natural, like I like to fish with, instead of being the colors. Now, this color might be perfect for muddy water, but who knows? I think I'm gonna switch over to a natural color and see if I can't get these guys to commit a little better. Sorry, color. You caught one. Got a lot of bites, but We may stop once we get back to shallow and put a black jig head on. See, that might do a difference. I don't know. A black jig head, natural coloration might be a thing. Oh, I was looking at a carp and out came a long ear. Like a carp might have been following it, but never caught a red horse on a lure before. Little long ear, whee! Alright, okay, so we went with a little bit larger jig head and these stonefly again. And we're just using these are mule fishing jigs. If you're interested in those, definitely check out mule fishing stuff. So we're using mule fishing jigs and creek life lures. So they'll look more natural. Maybe they won't be as hesitant to go after it. Bite, 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 bite. Goodness, I got like 4 or 5 bites over there on that tree. It's right there in the flow. There we go, we got one. We got one over there in the flow. A little shiner? Oh yeah, another creek shiner. There. Well, there we go. Sweet, see you, bud. So we get another one right after cast at, 2 for 2 on the cast there. Now we kind of know where they are. Nope, it done moved. Something over there. What was that? Oh, it's just over there. Big old giant something just flopped over there. I don't know if you guys can still see the water ring. Ugh. Oh, snagged on the edge. That's the one bad part about going further. Gotta be careful not to go on the bank. There we go, we got one on. Ooh, what we get? Another long ear. Oh, another bright, pretty one. I love the spring colors. It's super red. Awesome. See you, buddy. Whoa. There we go. We got another little something there in the water flow. What do we get? A little bitty long ear. I don't know if he gets the littlest of the day award or not. He's pretty close. Nice. Got a little fishy. No bass yet though. Alright, realists, that's going to wind it up for today. Thank you all for coming along. We didn't catch nearly as many as I thought we would today. We went about 120, 140 yards, not sure exactly, but it took about an hour and a half or so to go down and come back. It's a nice quick run. So we did catch a bunch of little fish. We didn't catch any big fish though, and no bass. So we're going to come back next time. We're going to get the creek sharks in here from Creek Life Lures, the Tennessee Creek Sharks. And also something new that they've got that they just added to their site. We're going to be bringing it out, trying to see if we can catch any fish on those. Hopefully we can catch a little bit bigger fish, a lot more fish, because it'll be more springtime. So hold on tight. Until next time, hopefully you guys have a great day, great night, great morning, whatever it is, wherever you are. Hopefully it's awesome. Hopefully you guys get a chance to get on the reel real soon.